Hi friends, welcome. Recently, I have used ChatGPT for some image creation and it was amazing. So earlier also I was using, but there were many mistakes, spelling mistakes, images get changed, many issues were there. So I was manually also creating. Now I have totally switched over to ChatGPT for my thumbnail generation. Recently in my Python series where I am continuing till now. So up to the fifth part, all the images whatever I have used as thumbnail are all generated from ChatGPT, and it has continued the same style and look and feel also. That's what I wanted. So now let us see, and also we'll see how my travel pictures I have changed by using different prompts to this ChatGPT. Let's see and learn all about this. I gave this picture of mine and asked it a simple prompt, remove the background. So that's all. Now then I found this picture. So it has removed perfectly the background and given me this. Then what I did, I just given this picture and asked it to remember my face or my picture takeout and use it in the series what I have planned to produce. So use it that my picture in the thumbnails what I am going to produce now. So first it has given me this. You can see that. Then I realize though it has taken my picture, but it has not mentioned which part one. Means I want to my intention was to create a series. So part 1, part 2, part 3, like that I want to add it. So I asked that add part 1 to this. So it gave me this. You can see here part 1. What I have given is the title only, Python learning with AI assistance. It has understood everything and created one. Then subsequent next part I have asked it Google Colab I am integrating, so use the part 2 for that. It maintained the consistent style. And then part 3 comes. I have discussed about variables and AI, so it has perfectly matched that and maintained the same background everything and created the part 3 thumbnail. Now even part 4 also I given the title, it's variable rules you must follow, so it has created part 4. Similarly in the part 5 I have told that it is the type of variables what we are creating in Python, so it has changed the title and maintained the same style and look and feel. I use some of my travel photos so to improve the quality, and as well I have added my photo and created a totally a new photo. So I was though the pictures were mine, but the sequence what I produce or the image what I produce was changed a lot. Let's see what is done. This is my chat gpt window. You can use the app or go to just open it in your browser. Then you can see I have uploaded first one real picture, means this picture I have taken it. So from my phone only, it's a phone picture. So I have uploaded it and asked it a very simple, improve this image, add one motivational text message at the top encouraging travel. I have not given, I have given the full freedom to it. So this is what, so it has improved it. You can see it has enhanced the colors. If you compare these two, see the sky color here and this eyes and the side heels color also, everything it has improved. So then I real means whatever picture you give, it will improve it. Then what I did is I want to promote my brand by adding picture to this, please add. But problem is then when I given my URL where my picture is there, it has told me that I can't do that, but I can access the external image URL directly from here. So it wants me to download and upload. That's what I did actually. I have downloaded one of my picture of this and uploaded to the system. Then what it did is this. So you can see it, it has added this my picture to this particular picture. And then what I just did some slight adjustment to this. I asked him increase the or cut my picture only from the bottom and show it. So it did that. Then I asked it remove the text at the top. So it has removed. But this time it has changed my dress. Now, okay, I didn't ask for that, but it has changed it. So let's just see. Next was interesting. Then I uploaded one of the picture. I took it from my phone. So it is after Manali, it is in the Janskar Valley, a single stone hill. So this picture I had taken. So this is what I have uploaded and ask it improve this image. It has beautifully enhanced the color. I can just right now also I can click it. Let me try. Okay, you can see this. It has the image in full width. Okay, all the options of downloadings are everything's are there. Now let's come back, see the prompt what I did. So in this picture image I have asked it, then sorry, then the one more picture I have uploaded at the same location, but this time all the milestones or all this board was there. So that the same prompt I asked, improve this picture, keep my on this road on a mountain bike as a Himalayan bike rider with all accessories. Now imagine I have earlier given my picture, so it remembers my picture. Now it is going to add me as a biker. So I was never, I was there in a four-wheeler, but it has put me here. You can just, I will click this and show you the full picture. But then I realized that my face is not that prominent. When I send it to someone, they say it is not you. So what I did is I slightly asked to change the image. Then I asked remove the bike and keep me only with my face in close up so others can easily recognize me. This time it did something different. Okay, fine, it has removed the bike, gave me a jacket, and here I am. Okay, this look, but I want to retain my bike feature. So what I did is I am standing in front with helmet removed and holding in hand. Bike is behind me. My face should be clear and focused so others can recognize me. Maintain the same dress and jacket as I was driving the bike before. Refer this picture you gave me with the bike. So what I did this time, I gave the earlier picture I have also uploaded so it can refer it. What it did is this, it does everything perfectly, but it changed slightly my face, and see this four-wheeler it gave it. So then I have to correct again the picture. What I did is, no, keep the bike and keep my face only. The person image size is fine. I am giving you my picture again. Use my face. Keep the bike behind me. No four-wheelers. Maintain the same dress what you have shown with the bike. So now I asked him maintain the same one. So these are the two my earlier images. My own image what is there, and this is the image of with the bike. So what it has given me earlier. Now finally what it has given me is this. It's quite amazing. It is fine. Let us just see. This is me holding the helmet, so you can see, and the bike is behind me, and the board, okay, it has read all the thing, and image is enhanced. By using Gemini also we can create images, and even while uploading the videos I have seen that it suggests you to thumbnails. So but those thumbnails were not up to the mark. It misses many things and you have to very much give all the details to get the something matching to your requirement. But ChatGPT understands a lot of things and it adds its own ideas to it, and really these are all excellent output it gives. So these models keep on competing with each other and change the background so we get a better product. Few days back it was the Gemini which was giving us a good images, but I felt that now ChatGPT images are much far superior than what Gemini and other things. Okay, the coding part I have to yet to see a better product from ChatGPT. Hope you are also continuing with this, and let us know what are your experience with these tools and all below in the comment section. Give your views, your ideas, suggestions, questions, everything. You are use the comment section, and my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the notifications, and also please like this video and share it with all your friends. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.